Hi children, good morning. How is your work going on? I think you are doing well. Have you observing the videos? Yes, you have to observe and what and all it has written on the blackboard. You have to note down in your homework notebooks. Is it? Yes. What's our topic? Respiration in organisms. Respiration in organisms. So I have given one activity. Have you done that one? How we are going to respire through our lungs. Have you seen the video? Those who have watched the video, I think you have done that one. You are going to show it to me. Is it, children? Yes. Like that you have to involve and you have to do such activities. You also get well about that content. Is it? Yes. So let me go to our today's topic. Are you ready? Yes. So today's our topic is breathing in other animals. So, as human beings, how we are breathing? Through our lungs. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Is it? Then only the man? No. So, still some of the other animals are there. That is like lion, cheetah, leopard, elephant, crocodile, lizard. These are all are the same. It is going to breathe through their lungs. Is it? Yes. Then still some of the other organisms are there. What are those? Means it's nothing but cockroach. Have you seen, children? Have you seen the cockroach? It will be in kitchen more to eat and in the toilets, that means bathrooms, it will be more. Is it? So that is nothing but the cockroach, how it is going to take the breath. Then earthworm, where it will be this one? In the soil. What is the speciality of this earthworm? Farmer's friend. We call it as the farmer's friend. Then what about fish? How it is going to breathe? So these and all are the other organisms. So in this class, let me see how this cockroach, earthworm and fish, they are going to breathe. Not only this, we are going to learn about the plants also. How does the plants breathe? Okay, let me watch a small video regarding this and I'll be back once again. Okay.
Breathe. When an animal breathes in oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide, an exchange of gases takes place. Animals have different organs for breathing. Animals breathe through lungs. All mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians in their adult stage breathe through the lungs. Animals have a pair of spongy elastic bags called lungs. When we breathe in, lungs are filled with air. Due to the presence of dense network of blood capillaries, a lot of blood comes to the lungs. Air enters through nostrils. The blood which is present in the lungs absorbs oxygen from air and then the blood gives out carbon dioxide. Blood carries oxygen to different parts of our body. When the lungs contract, air is let out. This air containing carbon dioxide is breathed out. Fishes breathe through gills. Since fishes live in water, it cannot take atmospheric oxygen from the air directly. They take oxygen dissolved in water. They possess certain special structures called gills for breathing. Gills are red colored because they receive a good supply of blood. Gills are made up of a number of thin filaments called gill filaments, which have rich supply of blood. The gills help in taking oxygen from the water. At the same time, carbon dioxide present in the blood passes out into the water. Insects breathe through tubes. Consider an insect like the cockroach. Its body is divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects have small openings on the sides of their body called spiracles. These spiracles lead into a network of branching tubes called trachea. These trachea divide and subdivide and pass into each and every tissue of the body. Insects breathe in air through spiracles.
Yes. Next, let me see about our earthworm. Already I told that earthworm is the friend of our farmer. Is it? It will be under of the earth, and what it is going to release the out, that it will be useful as the gobra for the soil. Is it? Yes. Then how does this earthworm is going to take the respire? That means respiration through the skin. How, children? How it is going to take the respire? Skin. Have you seen that? One thing I can say for you, that is when we want to take the fish from outside for the string, we are going to keep one worm. Which is that? That is the earthworm. So keep the earthworm, and that thread, if you throw it to the water to eat, the fish will come, and then easily we can catch the fish. What is that? It's the earthworm. So how it is going to take the breath? By using of the skin. How does the skin will be? It is smoothie. It's very smoothie. That is nothing but the moist and slimy. Moist and slimy. So like this, the earthworm is going to take the breath. Okay. Next, let me see how does the plants respire. See, I am going to show through the video. Watch it, children.
Through the process of respiration. During this process, most plants use atmospheric oxygen to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. In higher plants, oxygen and carbon dioxide move in and out of the roots and stems through the outer layers of the cells. The majority of gas exchange takes place through small openings in the leaves called stomata. On each side of the stomata is an oval-shaped guard cell and several accessory cells. They are together called as the stomatal apparatus. Let us see the opening and closing of the stomata in plants. The guard cells regulate the opening and closing of the stomata. Under normal conditions, the stomata remains open at daytime and closes at night time. When the guard cells are full of water, They expand and bulge out to open the stomata. When they lose water, they shrink. Then the stomata closes.
Have you watched? Have you understood? Yes. So, the plants also is going to take the respiration. Plants also, it's a living thing. It's the living thing. So, by this we will end up this session. Not only the ending of the session, we have completed the chapter of the respiration in organisms. If any doubts are there, we can clarify it. Okay. Thank you.